Sit. Sit down, let's talk. Right. I'm running a boxing corporation called the IKFC. I want you. You should join my league. I know nothing about this league. You wouldn't know, because it's very private. Private and successful, with membership of 4 million worldwide. You'd be a great addition to my roster.
Sounds like made-up nonsense. IKFC? It's a chicken place? We don't do fights with chickens.
You have to go now and leave our house.
Hey, man. Shut your fucking mouth.
You need to take your money and fuck off!
Sorry.